Fans, this is Stephen, NetSurf CCTV cameras. We are introducing our new IP wireless camera. This camera is super awesome. Just the power cable alone, no other cable, no network cable, nothing at all. This camera is a wireless camera and it works with a SD card, and it have a very powerful app that gives you notifications and video. This is one of the SIM cards that we use within this camera, so you don't need no DVR, no hard drive. This video is being recorded to the card. Also, we have cloud storage access available if you need that as a second option. I have one of these cameras installed in my home. The cameras are weatherproof, and we have two types. One is indoor and outdoor. This is one here. When I'm on the road, anything that moves in my house, even if it's a fly, is anybody comes through this door, the camera sends me a picture and a video for 5 seconds. If I need to play back, I could go and play back everything. We have these cameras available in stock. Make contact with me, and I'm going to show you another part of the video where you're able to see the app, how it's looking from the app. Hey fans, this is Stephen, continuing this video showing you of our new smart IP camera. This camera is so cool and sexy that this app here, you can able to view different locations. This is something that early in the day I can able to watch back from my mobile phone. I can able to see what happened, and to make it interesting, guys, watch this here. You can see me in this video early in the day when I was preparing to head out into the fields, and I can't remember what I was walking here. Open the door, and I'm playing back from my phone. You can play back from your phone or tablet. Now at the bottom of the screen here, these are motions. Whenever the camera detects a motion, it will basically save for 5 seconds that you could play back the 5 seconds and continue playing onwards. Let me show you something interesting I discovered, that the camera snap. Watch a rat here moving. If you notice there in the corner, I'm going to play back quickly. Look carefully. Yes guys, anything that moves in front of the camera, it snaps it, and you get to watch back that 5 seconds and even watch further. Now this app here, you can have cameras at several locations. This is a camera at one location, the first one. This is another camera here, and it's loading. At the bottom here, all of these here is motions. Whenever it detects motions, it will basically watch. Store a copy for you that you can watch specific time and date. So if you want to know all the different motions that occur on a particular camera, this particular type of cameras with this app is so sexy and sweet. Now this here is in the office. They closed already. Look at the time up there. This is the live, and let me take you back quickly. You can see earlier before they leave when they were in motion. This is the staff wrapping up to head out shortly. So as you would notice, if you want to hear, I can take off the mic, the speaker, and I can hear. These cameras have two-way audio, so you're hearing the audio in the background, and I can take off back the speaker. Plus you can interact with whatever you see in live. If someone was here in the office and I want to speak to them, I could have done that. All of this at the bottom here is motions that occur during the course of the day from 9 this morning, and it goes further for how many days you start the recording. These cameras are wireless, 1080p, 2 megapixel, and they're indoor and outdoor models in them. Contact me for more information, Stephen, and look forward to responding to you with your questions. You need to get these cameras. They are awesome, and they could be installed in environments where you have no electricity. No electricity. We have a solar version, solar power version of the cameras coming soon.